Welcome to another edition of Puppy Massage. This edition is for the senior citizen dogs because even the senior citizen dogs need puppy massage. This here dog is suffering from several conditions. Besides his geriatric age, he also suffers from dog obesity and some joint pains. So, we will massage the joints of the dog to help relieve the pains. That way he can lead a more active and fit lifestyle. So here we will take the joints here and very gently massage. This here, the knees, and then to the paw. You want to get some movement here, because these become very, very sore due to, as you can see, the size of this here dog area is quite large because of the overeatings. So you must improve the flexibility and the movement here in the paws. This helps with the mobilities and it encourages the movement for playing fetch, running through the trees and the streets and whatnot, and it can help. Alright, remember, it is very important to massage your puppy or senior puppy for the healthy lifestyle.